respected principal sir, teachers, and my dear friends, I'm here to present a speech on National Unity Day or Rashtriya Ekta Divas. I hope you will listen carefully. Rashtriya Ekta Divas or National Unity Day is celebrated annually on October 31st to pay tribute to Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, an Indian freedom fighter and independent India's first Deputy Prime Minister and Home Minister. He was instrumental in making a united India from the 565 semi-autonomous princely states and British-era colonial provinces. For his efforts towards a united India, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel's birthday anniversary is now celebrated as National Unity Day in the country. People mark the day with activities such as runs for unity that we did on previous days. On this day, locals are encouraged to remember the inherent strength and resilience of the nation. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, also known as Iron Man of India or the Loha Purush, Vallabhbhai Jawaharlal Patel, was born on October 31st, 1875. He is also popularly known as Sardar Patel and was one of the most known Indian politicians after the independence when the British withdrew from the deeply divided country. Under the Jawaharlal Nehru's term as Prime Minister, Sardar Patel served as the first Deputy Prime Minister of India. Sardar Patel is most popularly known as founding father of the Republic of India. This is because he played a significant role in integrating the independent provinces into a unified India, just after the partition of India and Pakistan. He also acted as Home Minister during the political integration of India and the Indo-Pakistani War of 1947. In 2014, Rashtriya Ekta Divas or National Unity Day was introduced by the Government of India. The official statement for Rashtriya Ekta Divas was provided by the Home Ministry of the country. It cites that the National Unity Day will provide an opportunity to reaffirm the inherent strength and resilience of our nation to withstand the actual and potential threats to the unity, integrity, and security of our country. For his efforts towards national India, Sardar Patel's birthday anniversary is now celebrated as National Unity Day. This is also known as Rashtriya Ekta Divas. To celebrate the day, the unifier of India was honored with the Statue Unity, which is actually the world's tallest statue, dedicated to Sardar Patel. The statue is approximately 597 feet in height. Prime Minister of India, Shri Narendra Modi, inaugurated the event on October 31st, 2018. Rashtriya Ekta Divas is all about unifying the people of India, but we can all get inspired by Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel's drive to remove distinction between us as human beings. That is why he said this quote: we had to shed mutual bickering, shed the difference of being high or low, and develop the sense of equality and banish untouchability. Thank you for giving me your time. I hope you got something to learn today and to be inspired by. Thank you.